Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's select loyalty card and select card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Now let's enter gift card and similarly to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.